This question states, round 75,650,501 to the nearest thousand. So when starting this problem, let's first identify where the thousandth place is. So this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, and right here is the thousandth place. So from here, since we have identified that zero, this zero here is where the thousandth place is, when you're rounding, you want to look at the number that is to the right of the number you are rounding, which in this case is 5. So, since we're rounding this zero up or down, we're going to look at the number to the right of it, which is 5. Now, when this number here to the right of the number you're rounding is 5 and up, you're going to change this number to the next number. Instead of it being 0, it's going to move up to 1. If this number here is below 5, so 4 and under, then this number is going to stay the same. So since this 5 is 5 and up, that means that this number 0 is going to be rounded up to the next number, which is going to be 1. So, rounding this number to the nearest thousand is going to be 75,651,000, and that's it. And this is going to be our final answer. This question states, compute 7,002 less 1,359. Now, when looking at this problem, all we're going to do is we're going to subtract 1,359 from 7,002. So now that we got it lined up, let's subtract. 2 cannot be subtracted from 9, so it needs to borrow 10 from the next number over. But unfortunately, this is a 0 and doesn't have anything to give. And the next number over that is a 0 and doesn't have anything to give either. So the number that can give something is 7. So this 7 is going to become a 6, making this 0 a 10. Now that this 0 is a 10, this 10 can give 10 to the next number over, making this 10 a 9, and making this 0 a 10. Now that this 0 is a 10, this 10 can give 10 to the next number over, which is 2. So this 2 is going to become a 12, making this 10 a 9. So now that we got that out of the way, we have 12 subtracted by 9, which is going to give us 3. Then we have 9 subtracted by 5, which is going to give us 4. And then we have 9 subtracted by 3, which is going to give us 6. And we have 6 subtracted by 1, which is going to give us 5. So, 7,002 subtracted by 1,359 is going to give us a final answer of 5,643.